Welcome to this quick tutorial on using AI for text translation in LateNode. Let's walk through this simple yet powerful scenario. We start with a trigger on run once node. This kicks off our translation process with just a single click. Next, we have a set variables node. Here's where we input the text we want to translate. You could type in anything, a short phrase, a paragraph, or even a full document. The star of our show is the M2M101, 2B AI translation node. This impressive tool can translate between numerous languages. Just specify your source and target languages, and it does the rest. Imagine you're a business expanding internationally. You could use this to translate product descriptions, customer emails, or even entire websites. Or perhaps you're a student studying foreign literature. This tool could help you understand texts in their original language. The best part? It's all automatic. Once you set it up, you can translate text after text with just a single click. So whether you're breaking down language barriers for your business, broadening your cultural horizons, or simply trying to understand that French recipe your grandmother sent, this AI translation scenario has got you covered. Give it a try and see how it can simplify your multilingual needs.